Hi and welcome back. Do you want smoother gameplay or better visuals in Asphalt Legends on your iPhone or Android device? Well, in this hands-on video, I'm going to show you how to perfectly adjust the graphics settings to improve performance, increase FPS, or enhance Asphalt Legends visual quality. So whether you are experiencing lag, overheating, or simply want the best racing experience, this hands-on guide is for you. That said, let's get started. So first you have to launch the Asphalt Legends game on your device, and then you have to hit the settings icon located at the upper right corner of the screen. After that, you have to tap on the game settings tab located at the top, and then you have to choose the graphics settings option. On the screen, you should see both the basic and advanced graphics settings. Now you can choose to fine-tune the frame rate, change the quality of things like bloom, depth of field, motion blur, and more. And if you no longer want to use a specific graphics quality, you can choose to turn it off as well. So go ahead to perfectly fine-tune everything to your heart's liking for a smoother performance of this naughty racing game, and that's pretty much it. Now you know how to perfectly adjust the graphic settings in Asphalt Legends to get the perfect balance between performance and visual quality on your iOS or Android device. Whether you are aiming for smoother gameplay, higher frame rates, or better looking races, these settings can make a big difference. Now that you have unlocked these important settings, make the most of them in order to spice up the whole gameplay, and I'll catch you up in the next one.